In and around Williamson County, this 4th of July will be remembered as the one when a tornado touched down. The damage may be minor, but there's no minimizing the scare it gave those who live nearby. KXAN's Candy Rodriguez spoke with neighbors in and around where it touched down. They say they're just glad nobody got hurt.
It's not the way Kenneth Thomason imagined he would be spending his 4th of July.
Damn it, as if I didn't already have enough to do. Now I've got this to go on. I have this to work on, so.
A small tornado captured on camera by his sister passes through his backyard in Hutto, destroying his shed.
I've never seen anything like it, ever.
Where that car is right now.
In Round Rock, Jordan Hemingway was on the corner of Pirano Circle and County Road 110 when he caught the twister on camera.
This is mind-blowing. I need to take a video so people believe me. It's just crazy.
And it's pretty. It's real pretty. We saw one go off right over there the other day.
But just down the road,
You stick it in the ground, you light it on the fuse up here.
those at American Fireworks didn't even have a clue.
And I didn't even know it was here because when it was happening, every one of us had a customer. And so we were looking down, we were helping people.
It wasn't until customers informed Misty Black of what had just happened.
Yeah, we had a guy come in and he was like, hey, did you see that funnel over there? And I said, no. I had no idea what he was talking about.
These shelves were part of the wall before it got blown backwards.
For Thomason, it's around a $3,000 loss.
I'm probably going to call my insurance company.
He says he'll replace the shed, but he's just glad no one got hurt. In Williamson County, Candy Rodriguez, KXAN News.
Here with Jim in the First Warning Weather Center. This type of tornado is kind of rare around here, right?
Yeah, when we get these little tropical lows come in from the Gulf, we'll see little tropical funnels, we call them, but they don't usually touch down like this one. That's pretty rare. And it's really more of a water spout type tornado than the big supercell tornadoes that we see here in Texas a lot. These are usually EF0 in strength, winds maybe up to 75 miles per hour. If they went out and surveyed this one, I bet it would be an EF0. But yeah, tropical little funnel that actually touched the ground, making it officially a tornado. And we're calling it Round Rock, but apparently this thing moved across the city limits of Hutto into Round Rock. So it's a Hutto Round Rock tornado touchdown on this 4th of July. We're glad nobody was hurt with that minor damage. Also some minor wind damage out around the Kingsland area too. This is